Hello, we are today going to show you just a little thing of what you do with these Fender G-DECs. Here's a G-DEC3 Fender 15. They also make a G-DEC3 Fender 30. They come in different versions. This here's one that has blues, country, rock, whatever in it. And you can get the specialities, which they have country, blues, rock. But anyway, what we're doing today is we're going to show you, if you go in here, we're going to turn the amp on in the back here. You want to see it light up. And let it come to what it needs to do here. See if we can focus in on this. Okay, this is what you're going to see when you first turn on, because it's on 0, 0. Right here is the, if you take this knob over here and turn it, this will change your presets. But it don't matter what preset you're on. We'll go back to 0, 0 just for now for demonstration purposes. And let's say if you want to go into the amp mode and you want to change that. As you can see here, this has got the J5 Telly Dirty, very distorted. See if I can zoom into that. Yeah, it's not doing a very good job at zooming, but it's very distorted. But anyway, if you want to change any of this, you'll see you gotta go to this knob right here, and you control. This is changing to the amp type, which now we got the Brit jingle. I don't know why my phone's not focusing, but it's not. And trying to get it to focus here for us. I can't get it to focus in right. And you got British Steel, Modern Crunch, Modern Metal, Modern Shred, Hot Rod. There's Hot Rod Lead. We're gonna go into Tweed Clean. Now, I hope you can see that. If you wanted to save that amp or any change of any settings on these amps, you've got to unlock the memory. This is what I wanted to show, help somebody to understand how you unlock the memory on these amps. It's not really complicated, it's fairly easy. If we wanted to go in here, and I'll show you, you see this save button is on, and if we hit save, you're going to see this come up, memory locked. Okay, so that's not going to work. So we need to exit out of there, and you need to unlock that memory. So you go to your exit button, and you hold down. You just hold down, and watch that blue screen right there. You just hold. Just keep holding. Okay, now. If you can see right here, this little hammer is called Utilities. What you want to do is go down here to this right button here, and you can push it once, twice. You can see memory lock coming up 3 times. And you can see that memory lock is on. And you go right here to your dial. You just simply turn that from on, I wish that thing would focus in, but it ain't, to off. Okay, now you can do all you go back, you can save your settings now. So you go back to this exit button right here. You simply exit off. Okay, then anytime you turn that, now I'll show you we're back to what this amp we started off with. Now I want to change this amp to a different amplifier. So we want to let's see, we want to hit the amp button right here, and we get that very distorted sound. I really don't like very distorted sounds. I like clean. So we're going to turn this to the Tweed Clean. Now, remember I did this a minute ago. I didn't want to save it. You might be able to see that. I don't know if you can or not. So if I want to save that amp settings, I just push the save button once, twice. Now you can see Tweed Clean. And you can do that with all that. Like now on that Tweed amp, we'll go into the gain. That's what comes up next. And it's set at 7.0. If I want to turn it to, say, 10, 9, 0.5, whatever. We'll just put it at 8. Turn it to 8. Turn this knob right here. Back up a little bit. You can see it. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you can see it on the screen or not. But that's actually saying 8.0 right there. Alright, and we're just going to hit this button here again. You got the volume button. We'll hit that, and you can see the amp volume is at 7. And whatever you do, see, I've made a change, and that's why the save light is on. I made a change. You can't save it, it says things unlocked. So you just hit it once, hit it twice. Now it's all saved. I'm at my Tweed Clean. If I go back to my amp, you'll see go to my gain. You'll see it is at, well, if you can't, this camera's not doing very good. It's actually 8.0, just like I had it. The volume is set at 7.0, just like I had it. Then if you want to get out of that, you can just actually just turn this. Well, I don't want to turn that. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Just exit out. Or and then if you go back. So there we go. Okay, I hope that helps somebody to help you with your unlocking your memory.